What if I told you that we just discovered a lost world in our own solar system? A dwarf planet so distant and mysterious that its mere existence could rewrite everything we know about the edges of space. And the most incredible part? It was there all the time, hidden in old data that no one thought to revisit. Scientists have just revealed the discovery of 2017 OF201, a frozen colossus that orbits the Sun at an absurd distance of 90.5 astronomical units. To give you an idea of how extreme this is, while Earth completes one orbit around the Sun in a year, this object takes more than 24,000 years to make the same journey. When it was last in its current position, humanity was still living in the Stone Age, building their first tools. But this discovery goes far beyond finding just another lost celestial body. It could topple one of the most debated theories in modern astronomy, the existence of the famous Planet 9. And today, you'll understand why this discovery is shaking the foundations of space science and how it could change our understanding of the solar system forever. Let's start with the basics. What makes 2017 OF201 so special? First, its impressive location. It's currently more than 90 times Earth's distance from the Sun. That would be impressive by itself, but this is just the closest point of its extremely elongated orbit. At its farthest point, it moves away to an incredible 1,600 astronomical units. To understand the magnitude of this, Pluto, which we already consider distant, orbits at about 39 astronomical units. This new world goes more than 40 times beyond Pluto, entering completely unexplored regions of our system. At about 435 miles in diameter, it qualifies as a potential dwarf planet in the same category as Pluto and Ceres. But its discovery has an absolutely fascinating story that shows how modern science works. It was detected in data from the DCAL-S project, a massive sky survey conducted by advanced telescopes in Chile. The detail that leaves anyone jaw-dropped? These images had been archived for years, simply waiting. Only now, with the power of artificial intelligence and big data analysis, have we managed to realize that there was a gigantic dwarf planet hidden right under our noses. This makes us think, how many other worlds could be hidden in data we already possess, waiting only for us to develop the right technology to find them? The answer might be much more than we imagine. Objects like 2017 OF201 are true relics of solar system formation. They were literally pushed to these frozen and distant regions by intense gravitational forces during the first billion years of our cosmic neighborhood. They're like time capsules frozen in space, carrying valuable clues about our cosmic origin and the violent processes that shaped everything we see today. But here comes the part that's really changing everything in modern astronomy. In recent years, scientists proposed the existence of the controversial Planet 9, a giant hidden in the frozen depths of the solar system. The main evidence for this theory? Several extreme trans-Neptunian objects seem to have their orbits clustered in the same general direction, as if something massive and invisible was influencing them gravitationally, pulling them into a specific pattern. 2017. OF201 completely broke this established pattern. It's in a totally different direction from the other known objects, following its own independent trajectory. And here comes the most surprising data. Detailed computer simulations show something no one expected. If Planet 9 really existed where scientists imagined, with the proposed mass and orbit, 2017 OF201 should have been violently expelled from the solar system millions of years ago. But it's there, calm, stable, and following its 24,000-year orbit as if nothing had happened. This raises a revolutionary scientific possibility. Maybe the famous Planet 9 doesn't even exist. Maybe the pattern observed in the other objects is just a statistical coincidence, an illusion created by the way we observe the sky, and not real evidence of a giant planet hidden waiting to be discovered. The discovery also reveals something even more impressive about the true nature of our solar system. The orbit of 2017 OF201 is so monumentally extensive that it spends only 0.5% of its orbital time close enough to the inner region to be visible by our most powerful telescopes. This means something both terrifying and fascinating. For every object like this that we manage to detect and study, there could literally be hundreds of others completely invisible, wandering silently in the darkest regions of space. If this conservative estimate is correct, there's an entire population of massive and unknown worlds in the most distant regions of the solar system. Some more daring scientists calculate that these objects together could represent up to 1% of Earth's total mass scattered in these frozen and forgotten regions. Just imagine entire worlds that we don't even know exist, orbiting silently at the edges of our cosmic home. This extraordinary discovery reminds us that the primitive solar system was much more chaotic and violent than our wildest imagination could conceive. Devastating planetary collisions, brutal gravitational expulsions, perhaps even close encounters with other passing stars that completely messed up the orderly dance of the planets. 2017. OF201 is a silent witness to this turbulent past, a frozen survivor from an era of cosmic chaos. The most fascinating thing of all is that this revolutionary discovery happened simply by revisiting old data with new and smarter tools. This makes us question, how many other cosmic secrets are hidden in files we already have, waiting only for us to develop the necessary technological insight to find them? 2017. OF201 represents much more than just an interesting new dwarf planet. It's living proof that our solar system still holds deep and surprising secrets, and that sometimes the greatest scientific discoveries are literally right under our nose, waiting only for us to know exactly where and how to look. If you were completely fascinated by this incredible discovery, like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any fascinating news from the universe. And if you want to dive even deeper into the most intriguing cosmic mysteries, check out one of the videos appearing on your screen now to continue discovering more mysteries with me. Thank you for watching this cosmic journey with me, and always remember, the universe has many more extraordinary secrets waiting to be revealed. Until the next space exploration.